this video, we're unboxing the turbo leak detection tool. This is the turbo leak detection tool. The gloves, the reducing rubber hose, the clamp, the large clamp, the sealing plug, the O-ring, the air hose fitting, the pressure gauge. Before we start measuring, we need to assemble everything first. Place the clamp into the connecting hose, the larger side. Connect it to the air intake you need to test. Connect the sealing plug to the smaller side. Make sure it's fully sealed. Before installing the pressure gauge, first install the O-ring onto the pressure gauge. After the O-ring is installed, connect the pressure gauge into the small hole. Then use a tool to gently tighten it. Then take this 90-degree elbow fitting, which can pressurize by using the pressure gauge. There's a valve stem inside this fitting. For this installation method, first remove the two lock nuts. Remove the washers in order. Install them into the hole. Then install the washer again. Install the copper washer. Thread the nuts on. Then use a tool to tighten it from the inside. The remaining fittings are for different sizes of compressed air hoses. Find the fitting that matches the compressed air hose and install it. Once installed, pressurize the system. Check the value on the pressure gauge. If the pressure value drops, after reaching a certain pressure, that means the component has a leak. If the pressure holds steady, that's no leak. After everything is connected, you also need to tighten both clamps using a tool.